through Kunlun's mist and Alpine Peak, we walk the vision of Go for Health.
Welcome to Geneva!
We're here, the UN headquarters in Geneva, the Palais des Nations, a shattered chair, 12 meters high, 193 flags in freedom fly, saying peace, right and health for humankind. Now, walk with me into the World Health Assembly. At the 78th World Health Assembly, different roles, different faces, different languages all converge, united for one goal, to one world for health. As a member of the Chinese delegation from Vanke School of Public Health, Tsinghua University, I witnessed policies like the Pandemic Accord impacting billions, debated and born. Every discussion, every pledge fuels the global fight for health. When delegates clash in debate, compromise for consensus, and persist for resolutions, human wisdom and resolve shine bright. And for the first time, I felt the resonance of China's voice on the world stage, witnessing firsthand the story China is writing in global health governance. It's a story of digital power and traditional wisdom, of climate action for health, of inclusive technology, and building a stronger health workforce for all. We are not just present, we are contributing. I felt it here, clear as a chime. Health is a right across all time. Health is a fight for all our kind. Health is the bond no walls confine. This is the essence of our journey, beyond textbooks and scenic views. The true treasure lies in unexpected insights and encounters. Back at Tsinghua's ground, three truths in my mind resound. Education lights the healer's flame, lifts the people's claim, builds the bridge to change. And my studies at Tsinghua's Vanke School of Public Health turned these truths into my own journey. It gave me this global stage to learn from peers and mentors, and to finally see clearly how I can play my part. I left with questions, strange and deep, return with purpose, bold and steep, to wake the self I've yet to meet, and above all, to feel the profound meaning of our work for health, and to carry that pride forward always.